in addition to talking about the drug deal, y'all believed he was setting up a drug deal, didn't you?
Yes.
And you started surveilling him, right? Not him, you started surveilling his wife, correct?
Correct.
And you even surveilled Mr. Bonner, correct?
Correct.
You subsequently arrested Mr. Bonner, right?
Correct.
And it's all because the information that you were hearing in those conversations turned out to be true, correct?
Correct.
And he was also telling his mother and his girlfriend that he had nothing to do with the murder of Lil Phat, correct?
Correct.
He had nothing to do with anyone threatening Grizz, right?
Correct.
And he couldn't believe that the judge was going to believe that after all the time he had spent in jail, right?
Correct.
Now, you've heard some phone calls that occurred. I think we went to phone call number 16 and to phone call number, let's see the ones that we did. 26, 28, and 30. We've listened to those, correct?
Correct.
But we haven't heard phone call number 20. And I'd like to play that for you. And that was a predicate. Oh, no, I'll take your help. Yeah, got it. And numbers, if I'm not mistaken, 20, 21, 22, 26, 28, 29, some of the ones that we've heard already were all done on 1/16/2014 at different times, correct?
Correct.
All right. So to put them into context, I'm going to play 3 short calls. And the first one is number 20. And that has to do, if I'm not mistaken, wouldn't you agree with when he first found out from his lawyers about the threat?
I don't have that line sheet, so I don't know exactly what that call is about.
Oh, okay.
There's, you see 800 calls or 900 calls, 1,000 calls. I don't have that one in front of you today.
Well, I'll play it, let you listen to it, and then we'll see.
Okay.
We'll call it 20. Am I doing something wrong? Right, okay. Is it playing?
It's going to play. I think it comes on at like
Not
30 or something.
I'm on the phone with the office. I'm gonna call you right back.
Where you at, baby?
I'm on the phone with the lawyer's office. I'm gonna call you right back.
What's wrong?
Stay back home.
Alright.
All right. And that call was at 5:03 p.m., correct?
Yes.
And it was after that call that another call was made wherein Gary learned for the first time that someone, that Grizz had said that he had been threatened, correct? That would be in call number 21.
Yes, sir.
Play 21 for you.
Yeah, for the Sam.
Hey, Mom.
Hey, Sam, hi.
I'm alright. What's going on?
Girl, right.
He says mom, he's talking to his mother, correct? Not his girlfriend, Hattie, right?
I would assume that by somebody calling them mom, yes.
Pam? Do you not know that, or you
No,
know?
I do not know that.
Huh?
I said, that action went right on the car. I said, you gonna tell Steve? He said, I don't know.
I ain't heard nothing. She ain't told me nothing. I just talked to her, but she said she was on the phone with the lawyer office, and I was like, the way she was sounding, I was like, what's wrong? She was like, I'm gonna call you back. That's why I called you. What's going on?
Well, Keith called and said White had said that, someone was threatening him from DMC.
Someone was threatening him.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and they're afraid that evidently they had some big, conference call with Shaw, and they're afraid that that's gonna affect, you know.
Why he lying like that? Because he heard I'm finna get a bond? So he's scared of me to get a, that's crazy, man.
No,
It don't matter. He in a whole nother state. He in California.
well, he didn't say you, he just said, DMC.
Man, ain't nobody threatening. Ain't nobody even seen him. Nobody don't even know how to get in contact with him or seen him. So he's a lie. You've been in California. You know what I'm saying? Throwing parties.
My thing was, why would he believe him? You know, I was like, why would he even believe him?
Were you aware that when DeSensei White made bond, part of the agreement was that he was gonna go back to California?
Objection relevant.
Overruled.
Judge it. And in fact, that wasn't a part of the agreement. He was required to stay here in Georgia.
Yes.
When he got his bond originally back in June, what,
I think it was
Yes.
part of it that he had to stay in Georgia.
well, he said he went to California in his testimony.
No, he didn't.
Yes, he did. All right, so it wasn't, so do you know whether or not it was part of his agreement?
I do not know that.
All
I'll make a similar editorial.
right, let's
Objection.
everybody get along, let's everybody get along. All right.
No,
That's BS,
where's his, did you get a letter, did somebody call you, you should have something to back that up.
Mama, I swear to God, I ain't even studying that boy. I don't even, you know what I'm saying? And first of all, why would somebody be threatening you and whatever you supposed to have been doing just came out on Monday? Ain't nobody know nothing about that until then, so when did you get threatened? You know what I'm saying?
I don't know, but anyway, and.
I already know what that's about. Because Wolf and his lawyer are friends. So Wolf probably told him we going for a bond hearing, and due to his own guilt, because he know he lying, he thinking like, oh, he probably gonna get out on bond. So now he wanna lie and say somebody been threatening him because he feel like I might get a bond. Like that's crazy though. Like I don't care about what you lying about, because he got to deal with his, he ain't gonna do nothing but mess his own self up. So I don't care what he doing. I'm not even focused on him. I'm trying to get to my family and get to church. I'm not studying him.
Well, the other thing was they said that the two things that he had given before, one they couldn't find and one they couldn't hear.
Yeah.
Evidently they got it. I think that's what Keith was saying, but it just makes him look terrible, not you.
Make who look terrible?
Yeah, White.
Oh, what? His statement or something he made?
Yeah, they got it.
Oh.
Before.
From before. Oh, okay.
Yeah, and it makes him real bad. And not you. That's the one.
This Haitian, I'm gonna call you right back.
Okay. All right.
Now, you said that you were involved in the case at the time that the threat was made, correct?
I was.
And is it fair for me to understand that you know what the threat was?
I don't know
You never heard what the threat was?
If I was told it, it's something I can't remember. I don't remember ever being told what the threat was or that there was a threat.
Okay. So you don't know whether it was made directly to White or not?
That's correct.
All right. But after this phone call, Mr. Bradford then speaks to his girlfriend about the details of what they were saying, correct?
Correct.
And he seems upset about it, correct?
Actually, I would like to listen to the call again so that I can make an opinion from that. Or I can read the line sheet, whatever Mr. Wolf would prefer.
Well, no, I'll play the call, that's fine. But you know that Bradford insists that it's a lie and he never threatened anybody. Have you listened to these calls?
I have. Okay, like I've explained, there's a lot of calls here and things run together, so you have to re-listen to them.
All right, well, let's take a listen.